Use the handrails under the seat during the door.
All right, here we go. This is it. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, okay. Okay.
The weight on this side.
I'm gonna get this up front. Oh, I'm being a thank you. Thank you. I'm too busy running the camera.
Oh, yeah. Hi. Sorry, caught me rubbing my nose.
It's an annual tradition, 2011, baby. I know my phone is going to get drenched.
Look, one phone. The wrench.
Drenched.
Phone is going to? Your phone's going to get drenched.
Oh, everything will.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to get drenched. Whoa, yeah, damn it, quick.
Okay, that's wet.
Mommy, is your plastic bag?
What was that phrase you just used?
Do the poopers. Oh my gosh, I am. No. Okay. Oh, no.
Where's that sharp corner? Jay, it's got to be right here. This is the sharp corner. Oh, there it was. Oh, there with the leg. It's over now. Oh!
My underwear are wet.
That ain't all.
Hold them up.
Here comes the sharp bump.
No.
Jay, you're hardly wet at all.
You're barely wet. My pants are soaking wet. My pants are soaking.
Not yet.
Oh.
Not yet.
No. Oh my God. Ready?
Da 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 da.
Oh my God. My feet are soaking wet. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, spin it. I This is how I'm covering my bed.
There's no rushing out.
Julia.
Oh yeah, that's right. We might get hit.
Julia.
No, it will. Oh.
My bed. Thank goodness I took care of my bed.
Okay. Camera wet. Excuse me while I shake it off.
My t-shirt.